In this session, we are going to look at note and comment option. Where we use note and comment option. So in case if you want to note anything for any specific cell and you want to leave some comment in that particular cell to remember, so what exactly you have done, what action to be done for the particular cell, in that case you can leave a note. So let me show you an example. Let me select the cells. Okay, in this cell the value looks small, so I want to leave a comment. Just go to review. So all the comment option you can see here. Just go note, new note. So now you will get it with your name. In case if you have a user ID, that will be the starting point. Then I'll say low sales. Okay, and you can see action one, action 2. You can keep some action for the cells. Similarly, I'll choose another cell. Okay, assume here I want to make some adjustment. Okay, I'll just add 2000 extra. Okay, so now I have made some adjustment in the cell, but if you see, assume my cursor is here. So even after 1 or 2 weeks, even I forget whether I made the adjustment or not. So to keep a track, so I'll add a comment. So I'll say made adjustment due to some reason. Okay, you can add whatever comments you want so that it will be visible. So whenever you want, so you know that okay, you have made the adjustment in this cells. Okay, to see all, now I have inserted a comment here, I have inserted a comment here. Okay, when you keep your cursor there, so you will get whatever comment you updated in that cell. Okay, so to get all the comment, okay, now I want to see all the comment at one shot, so you can click this, go to note, show all the notes. So it will show all the notes. Okay, now let's move to comments. Okay, now I want to insert a comment. So far whatever we have seen, that is note, insert a note, but now we are going to see comment. So to insert a new comment, this is also almost similar, but here you can track few things. So go to review and insert a new comment. I'll select the cell. So I can say target achieved. Okay, so you have done this. So similarly I can have here insert a comment, target not achieved. Okay, in this case the difference between these two is this is a this note is just a note which you placed in the cells. Okay, so anybody can go and make the changes for this particular note. Okay, but this comments is totally different. Okay, assume you save this file in the shared drive. Okay, where multiple people have access to this file. Okay, so now you added one comment. Okay, there'll be another person, he can respond. So target not achieved. So the other person can respond to this saying due to low demand, next month target will be achieved. Okay, so you can update in case if you have a list of data. Assume for LG you have one person, for Samsung you have one person. Okay, simply you can add a comment. So you can add 111 low sales, and here I can add high sales. Here you can add what is the reason for good performance. So you can add anything. Okay, so now if that other person is opening the same file, okay, he can leave the comments. In case if the file is in the shared drive where multiple people can access, or the file is in SharePoint, so where multiple people can access this file, so they can update the comment. Also you can edit your comment okay, but the other person cannot edit your comment. They can update only their own comment, or they can respond to your comment. So this is the difference between these two. So in case if I want to see all the comments, click show. So you can see all the comments here. You will get it here. Okay, so to delete, so in case if you want to delete the note, right click, just delete. Okay, if you want to delete the comment, right click, delete the comment, or you can select this, go to review option, you can delete the comment. Okay, so this is the difference between the comment and the note. So basically this will be useful to post a note, or to, if you want to remember anything, so you can keep a note using comment option. Let's move to next option.